At 55 years old, we were stupid short for retirement, and I realized that we really needed a new plan. It was the realization that I didn't want to be working into my 80s just to have enough. Now, fast forward to today, I have built multiple income streams online, and I just made over $26,000 the last 2 weeks while here on vacation in Costa Rica with a digital side hustle. So, if you're in your 50s and your brain works anything like mine does, then you want things simple, you want it step by step, without any tech headaches, then this video is for you, my friend. I'm going to walk you through the exact strategy that I used so you can decide if this is the right fit for you too. I'm not going to give you fluff, I'm not going to give you any complicated jargon, just real steps. And hey, if we haven't met yet, my name is Wendy. I am a 57-year-old grandma from Ontario, Canada, and I help fellow midlifers say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind and hello to freedom, flip-flops, and a flexible online income that they can take anywhere. And I want to be real honest with you for a minute. I didn't start early on this, and I didn't have a real clear plan on how to change things. We just reached a point where doing nothing was no longer an option. I learned plenty the hard way, but honestly, nothing was wasted. Always take lessons from everything I learn. For 5 years, I tried to make money online. 5 hard years. I bought courses after courses. I joined programs. I lost more money than I care to admit. Hard to say that out loud. And during that time, we were still short for retirement. But I was trying to figure it out. What actually made sense? But every attempt taught me something. What works, what doesn't, and what I will never, ever do again. That's why I never recommend something that I can't stand behind. So when I found this program that I'm using right now in February of 2024, it kind of checked all the boxes for me. It wasn't chasing a dream lifestyle. I was solving a retirement problem. And it's the reason that I was able to make $26,000 over the last 2 weeks while here on holidays. So what I'm going to share with you today is exactly what you can do to start building a simple digital side hustle of your own. Now, before we dive in, you'll want to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's linked in the description below. It's the exact step-by-step plan that I used to go from stressed and losing money to finally finding a system that worked. You can grab it now or come back later for it. So let's start here. You need a product. Without a product, you don't have a business. Zippo, zilch. It's like opening a store with empty shelves. No matter how great your sign looks outside, nobody is buying it if there's nothing to buy. Now, there are lots of digital products that you can choose from. You can choose an ebook, a course, a membership, or a done-for-you digital product. But whatever you choose, it needs to have these 4 things. You need profitability. How much can you actually make per sale? You need demand. Are people already searching for that solution? You need sustainability. Can it be sold over and over again without you recreating it every single time? And you need alignment. Does it match your values and the lifestyle that you're building? So I decided that learning from a done-for-you system was the way I wanted to go, something that gave me master resale rights. I learned from a digital course that taught me the marketing skills I needed, and it gave me the license to resell it for 100% profit. Now, that one decision turned into affiliate sales, memberships, income, software commissions, and my own digital products. That's how one income stream can turn into several different incomes. So you also need traffic. Now, this is about getting eyeballs on whatever it is that you're selling, because even the best products in the world won't sell if nobody knows it exists. So I started in 2024 on TikTok. TikTok's free. It was easy. I had a lot of fun, and I created short form videos. But here's where I hit a bit of a roadblock. Scammers, like fake accounts pretending to be me. Like, check all these scammers here. They were messaging people and trying to scam them with my face. And that is not okay. It became exhausting. And it made me realize something important, that TikTok can be unstable for long-term business growth. That's when I shifted my focus to YouTube. Here I am on YouTube. And honestly, it changed everything. On TikTok, somebody might watch you for 10 seconds. On YouTube, they can watch you for minutes or even longer. And longer time builds trust, and trust equals sales. YouTube content is evergreen. Videos I made months and months ago are still bringing me in leads and income today. And here's something that most people don't realize. YouTube also pays you directly. Over the last 90 days, YouTube has paid me over $7,000 in AdSense revenue alone. Now, that's all before any product sales or any affiliate income that I have. It's before anything else. That is what I mean by stacking income. One platform, multiple ways to get paid. Here's a quick side note. If you want to learn how to start your own YouTube channel the right way without overthinking it and without needing to be techie, then grab my YouTube Success Starter Kit. I have linked it in the description below for you. And it walks you through exactly how I got started step by step. Now, this next part is really non-negotiable. You need an email list. Social media is rented space. Email is owned. You own your email. I actually had a TikTok account completely get shut down early on in my journey, and it changed everything. Like, I lost it all. If you don't have a way to stay connected with your people, then you have to start over again and again and again. So research shows people are about 3 times more likely to buy from an email than from social media alone. So email lets you follow up, tell stories, build trust, and create a steady income. That is your safety net. So how do you get emails? By offering a freebie. That's something valuable that you give away in exchange for an email address. It could be a guide, a checklist, a mini training. Your freebie is like the handshake. It starts the relationship, and it should connect directly to what you sell. That's why my Freedom Formula Blueprint leads to a free class where you're walked through everything on how this digital program and system works. Most people won't buy after seeing something once. Free class gives clarity, it explains how it works, shares your story, shows proof, and answers objections before people even ask them. Once someone watches the free class, they can make an informed decision. If it's for them, they move forward. If not, they can simply unsubscribe. Simple as that. Either way, you're giving them value. Now let me leave you here with a little story. Last summer, my husband John and I, we taught our 3 granddaughters how to ride their bicycles without training wheels. They were 7, 6, and 5. And if you've ever taught a child to ride a bike, you know how this goes. Now, the 2 older girls were a lot more cautious because they wanted to go slow. They kept asking, "Are you holding on, Glammy? Don't let go yet." They were scared to fall because they relied on their training wheels for a lot longer. Now, the younger one was different. She hopped on, pedaled, wobbled a little, and before you knew it, she was riding with no training wheels. She hadn't relied on the training wheels as long as the other 2, so letting go didn't feel scary to her. Now, as I was standing there watching them, it really hit me. For most of us, our job has been our training wheels. One paycheck, one employer, one way of doing things for decades. So of course, letting go of that feels scary because that's like our security, especially in your 50s, especially when retirement feels closer than it used to. But the longer we rely on something, the harder it feels to imagine life without it, even when it's no longer enough to carry us where we want to go. And just like that, riding a bike, you don't just jump off all at once. You start slow, you wobble, you'll learn. One day you realize you're moving forward on your own. So let's sum this up. You need a product, promotion, and connection. That's really the formula. So grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint below and watch the free class just to see if this is a good fit for you. See if you're ready to take those training wheels off and try a new way to learn. So if you're wondering how I use this exact formula to retire myself at 55 and go on to make $650,000 in my first year, then you're going to want to watch this video right here, my friend, as I break it down and walk you step by step through it. I will see you over there. Bye.